In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tickets in HubSpot CRM. Let's start our journey by ensuring that you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, which is a crucial first step, we're going to navigate towards something called the Trial Guide. The Trial Guide is a fantastic resource that contains everything you need to get started with building forms and managing your processes in HubSpot. It's essentially your go-to library for resources and step-by-step assistance as you explore the capabilities of HubSpot CRM. So, once you've familiarized yourself with the Trial Guide, head over to your homepage within HubSpot. The next step is to click on the CRM menu option. This is going to be your portal to manage your customer relationships and, more specifically, handle your tickets. Click on the CRM drop-down and you should see an option labeled Tickets. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're in the Tickets section. This is where you can really start leveraging the power of HubSpot CRM by managing support requests or any other inquiries that your team needs to track. Look for the option to create a new ticket and click on Create Ticket. Once you're in the ticket creation screen, you'll need to input all the necessary details to get your ticket up and running. This might include the ticket title, description, contact information, and any additional data that's relevant to the issue or request at hand. Be thorough with this information. It pays off in the long run as it helps in keeping everyone on the same page and eases the follow-up processes. After you've carefully filled out all the required fields and ensured that everything looks correct, there's just one more step to take. Hit the Create button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ticket in HubSpot CRM. Remember, each ticket is an important piece that helps you keep track of ongoing issues and enhances your team's ability to provide fast and efficient support. Regularly keeping an eye on these tickets and updating them as necessary can greatly improve your workflow. So, make sure you're continuing to engage with your tickets actively. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on using tickets in HubSpot CRM. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful as you begin to navigate this incredibly useful feature. As always, feel free to revisit the Trial Guide whenever you need a refresher or simply wish to explore additional capabilities within HubSpot. Thanks for joining and happy ticketing.